everyone. Beautiful morning. Hi, beautiful people. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I got a love and I know that it's all I know. I'm back, channel. Hi. We're outside with the tree. Now I like pink flowers. Good morning, everyone. I'm wearing my pink shoes, and this is my pink bag. My name is Muning. I'm 2 years old. Muning is 40. Are you tired? And then rest. I am hungry. Go eat. I have to don't get the rest. Don't get to eat. Don't get to drink water. Okay. This is the out too. Get some air. Okay. Don't wait. Don't treasure. Don't treasure. Then what is my donkey paw? Oh, my donkey paw. Okay. Oh, my treasure. Treasure. Everybody, what is my treasure? Want my treasure, okay? Want my treasure. Everybody, want my treasure. Everybody, you're beautiful. Beautiful people. I love you all. My treasure is the best.
Who's your favorite in Treasure?
I like donkey. Donkey. Ah, I love you every day. Donkey. Donkey bye the bed. Donkey bye the bed. This is donkey paw. The flower don't know.
You're talking to the flower?
The flower don't know.
The flower doesn't know. What did you ask the flower?
Flower don't see my young paw. Oh no. Let me see. Donkey paw in the playground. Mommy, donkey paw in the playground.
Really? You just want to go to the playground eh?
Where am my donkey paw? Let's see my donkey paw. In the playground. Playground. Can I go to my playground? Donkey paw, where are you? Come out. Donkey